This is my first mini truck that I've ever owned. It's a 1993 hijet, Daihatsu hijet. Just wanted to show everybody. It's a neat little truck. I put a 2-inch lift on it and some pretty knobby tires. A little bumpy on the roads, but it's kind of fun. Bed does fold down, the sides do there. And this is the no frills interior, window crank. And part of the motor of it is under the seats here, and the other part is back under this little plate here. Back end. Take a quick look inside here. They're just no frills. This one has air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, and under the seat there's part of the motor right there. When you buy them, make sure you check that VIN number with your import papers. It's really basic, but they go like crazy in the snow. I've had it in about 6 inches so far.